welcome to KCS at Home 2nd grade math. My name is Misty Dodge, and I have the privilege of serving KCS 2nd graders at Carnes Elementary. Today, I will give an overview and a review of some items to help you with your math learning opportunity. Your packet math pages look something like these. These pages are from your math book, so they should be familiar to you. It's important to read and follow the directions carefully on the pages. The first couple of pages have you analyze or study a solution. Think about one way to solve and critique or explain the given solution. As you know, there are many ways to solve a problem or task. These pages ask you to think about a different solution to Bella's task. The problem-solving checklist is there to help you. Let's review how to measure length. First, you want to place the object on the zero of the ruler. Be sure the object is straight, lined up with the ruler, that it's not bent or crooked, so you'll get an accurate measurement. Measure from end to end, starting at the zero. Record the measurement using the correct unit. Following all those steps, this shell measures at 5 centimeters long. Let's review how to compare length. First, measure each object using the same unit. Subtract the lesser number from the greater number. So in this case, my first piece of tape is 8 centimeters long, and my second piece of tape is 3 centimeters long. So I'll create a number sentence that says 8 centimeters minus 3 centimeters. Then you'll want to record the difference using the correct unit. So for this example, the top piece of tape is 5 centimeters longer than the bottom piece of tape. Or we could say the bottom piece of tape is 5 centimeters shorter than the top piece of tape. You can practice measuring length and comparing lengths at home, even if you don't have a ruler. You can use a quarter to measure inches, and the width of your little finger to measure centimeters. When you get to these pages, you will be asked to compare lengths and organize lengths. Remember, the problem-solving checklist is there to help you. One way to organize a set of measurements is to use a line plot. Let's take a look at line plots. Look at the example from our math book. Here, we see the measurements for the length of young sea lions. We can organize and record the measurements on a line plot like this. The first sea lion measures at 52 inches, so I can record an X at 52. The next sea lion measures at 49 inches, so I'll record that measurement above 49. Then we have a sea lion at 50 inches, 52 inches, 52 inches again, 48 inches, and 49 inches. The completed line plot looks like this. It includes a title to tell what the graph is about, a label to tell what the numbers mean. For this line plot, the numbers show the length in inches, and numbers greater or less than those in the data set don't need to be included. However, all the numbers between the greatest and least number in the data set must be included. So here we included the number 51 because it's between 48 and 52. Even though we didn't have any sea lions that measured at 51 inches, we still had to include it. Another thing I want to point out is that all the x's should be about the same size. We shouldn't have any big x's or any small x's. We need to try to make the x's about the same size. Another graph we can use to organize information is a bar graph. Bar graphs also include a title, labels, and a scale. The scale is the numbers that tell how much each bar shows. Using a graph to organize information helps us read or see the data quickly. For example, we can see that Saturday has the most books, and if we compare Saturday and Sunday, we can see that Saturday has 2 more than Sunday. For these last few math pages, we will need to use what we know about money and adding and subtracting links. So let's review coins. These are pennies. They are worth 1 cent, and the back side, the tail side, tells us so. 100 pennies equals $1. There are 4 pennies here, so we have 4 cents. These coins are nickels. They are worth 5 cents, and the back side of the nickel tells us so, 5 cents. 20 nickels equals $1. There are 4 nickels here. We count them by fives, so here we have 20 cents. These coins are dimes. Dimes are worth 10 cents. The tail side of the dime tells us that it's 1 dime. It does not tell us that it's 10 cents, so we have to remember that dimes are worth 10 cents. 10 dimes equals $1. There are 4 dimes here. We count dimes by 10, so here we have 40 cents. Our last coin for review today is the quarter. It tells us on the front. The tail side sometimes looks like this, but the quarter can have many different designs on the back. The quarter is worth 25 cents. It takes 4 quarters to make $1. Let's take a look at counting mixed coins. Here we have a nickel worth 5 cents, a quarter worth 25 cents, a dime worth 10 cents, and a penny worth 1 cent. So one way to get started is to organize or sort the coins by value, greatest to least. You can make a model to go along with the value of your coins. Another idea is to add smaller groups and then add those sums like I did here. I added 25 cents plus 10 cents to get 35 cents. Then I added 5 cents plus 1 cent to get 6 cents. Then I added my two sums together, 35 cents plus 6 cents, to get a total of 41 cents. Another strategy you could try is counting on. So here I start with 25 cents and count on 10 cents to get 35 cents. 35 cents plus 5 cents equals 40 cents, and 40 cents plus 1 cent equals 41 cents. This group of coins also shows 41 cents. Can you think of another way to show 41 cents? Ask your grown-up if they have some coins you can count. See if you can make the same value in different ways. The last thing I want to leave you with is drawing. Yes, drawing. There are many ways to solve math problems, and sometimes drawing can help you when you're stuck. It can help you visualize or see the situation differently. Or sometimes drawing can help you explain or prove your solutions. It's one of the many reasons I like math. Well, that's it. Thank you for following along with me today. We hope everyone is staying safe and healthy and finding many learning opportunities every day.